joy is mine, no matter disaster. I found the secret, it's Jesus in my heart. Happiness is a new creation, Jesus in me. In close relation, having a part, and His salvation, happiness in the Lord. Real joy is mine, no matter the start. I found the secret, it's Jesus in my heart. Happiness is to be forgiven, living a life that's worth the living, taking a trip that leads to heaven. Happiness is the Lord. Happiness is the Lord.